Hi everyone, I'm Jack from howtospecialist.com. Today we're diving into a super festive project, building a Santa sleigh from scratch. This wooden sleigh is perfect for holiday decorations, photo ops, or even as a unique outdoor display. So grab your tools and let's make something awesome. We're starting with the runners of the sleigh. I'm using a jigsaw to cut out the side panels, following this template. You can download the free plans from my site, link in the description below. Next, let's connect them with these 1x4 cross supports. Measure twice, cut once. Remember, accuracy is key to keeping everything square. We're using pocket hole screws here for a clean look and a strong joint. If you don't have a pocket hole jig, you can use regular screws, but pre-drill to avoid splitting the wood. Fit the slats to the seat frame, spacing them evenly for a clean and balanced look. Use a jigsaw to round the ends of the slats for a polished, professional finish that enhances the sleigh's design. Now that the sleigh is assembled, it's time to sand. You want everything smooth. No one likes splinters, especially Santa. Don't forget to seal it to protect it from the elements. To finish it off, you should consider adding some white trim along the edges and a few gold details for that extra holiday magic. You can really get creative here. Add bells, decals, or even LED lights to make it your own. If you enjoyed this build, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY projects. Let me know in the comments how you'd customize your sleigh. Go to howtospecialist.com for full plans along with a complete set and shopping list.